What's up, folks? How's it going? This is Waj. Hope you guys are all doing well. I'm outside in the rain right now, and I do have the iPhone XS Max with me, and I want to do a quick little drop test, but just not any ordinary drop test. We're going to be taking this thing over here, the DJI Mavic 2 Pro, coupled with a remote release mechanism that I've rigged together, and are going to be dropping this phone several feet up in the air. Now, this is a very expensive phone if you don't know already, and I do not have Apple Care on it, so I don't want it to be smashed. So therefore, we're going to be using the Defense Lux Case. This is rated for up to 3 meters or 10 feet in terms of their drop test certification. We're obviously going to be going above that by a huge margin, and we'll see hopefully if this thing survives. Now, the first thing that we did is just simply drop the phone from about 5 to 8 feet in terms of height, and we mostly focused on the side and back portion. I'm sure I can crack the screen pretty easily if I did drop it head on. I do have a screen protector on there as well, but again, I don't want to risk breaking the display. But in terms of overall durability, I'm sure this case combination with the XS Max is going to be most suited for pretty much everybody out there that is going to drop the phone away from their pockets, or maybe holding it and it slips out of their hand. Obviously, if you don't have any kind of case, most likely this thing is going to be really easy to ding. Now, in terms of using the drone, what we're going to do is just simply tie a string to the phone and attach it to the release mechanism of the payload release kit that we have over here. This is actually activated by the front LED on the Mavic 2, which I can remotely control. So it's a really simple and straightforward process to basically drop this thing. And we are going to record from the Mavic 2 looking downward. So you get a kind of bird's eye perspective, and you can see the iPhone is right then and there on, and we're just gonna go maybe about 20 to 40 feet up in the air. And as you just saw, we luckily did not hit the pavement. It actually went right into the bushes. So let's see if this thing survived. And a little bit of rummaging around, and there is the phone itself. Looks pretty good, no major dings whatsoever. There's been no significant damage to the phone that you can see externally. The case actually looks really good. We definitely lucked out of dropping this thing in the bushes, but from a decently high distance, and the absorption of the bushes definitely resulted in this phone being in still pure mint condition, as you can see. Okay, so now I'm back inside, and I've inspected the internal and external condition of the XS Max, and even though this thing took a pretty substantial shock, most of it was absorbed through the case, which is what you want. And internally, all the functionality is the same. Haven't encountered any issues thus far, and we definitely lucked out of having the phone drop into the bushes rather than hitting the concrete, which definitely would have been a different story. Now, we're going to have a couple of different comparisons coming out very, very soon. Check out the description or click on the card when that's available. We have a camera comparison between the Note 9 and the XS Max, as well as we're going to have battery life comparisons, as well as speed test comparisons. So check those videos out in the description section down below. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and we'll see you soon. Take care.